In my prior cyber videos, I discussed some of the myths about why business owners don't buy cyber insurance, what the risks are for a cyber event occurring, and the fact that most small and medium-sized businesses are not prepared for a cyber event. I'd like to conclude this series with how to purchase the right cyber policy. Now, this may sound self-serving, but the first step in buying the right protection starts with selecting the right broker. The generalist insurance agent who doesn't do a lot of cyber insurance is not going to be the right place to start. Engaging an expert is the right way to go. Second, you need an idea of the limits of protection to purchase. The net diligence calculator I've mentioned before is a good place to start, so I've posted a link to that below. On top of that, when you do shop for coverage, ask for options on limits. Instead of just getting $1 million quote, ask what higher limits of protection would cost. Base your final decision on your budget and potential exposure. Most of all, make an informed decision. If you're looking at different insurance companies, look at the pre-breach services they offer. Do these services have value to you? Are there training resources included which could help prevent a breach? If so, that can be valuable. Also look at their post-breach services. Most insurers offer a 24/7 claims hotline, so you have to ask what types of services would be deployed if you call that hotline one day with a claim. This helps make decisions go beyond just the bottom line price. Then there's the question of whether you should include cyber-related crime coverages. Coverages such as social engineering or computer theft of funds from your bank accounts. Some policies provide sublimits for crime coverages, some do not. You have to ask, are those limits sufficient or are they overkill? Depending on the circumstances, I often recommend placing all crime coverages on a separate crime policy and not on your cyber policy. Finally is the application process. Some insurers still use an 8 or 9 page application, which is cumbersome. Some insurers have reduced their application to just 5 questions. Regardless of how long or short the application is, please answer questions truthfully and completely. Too many cyber claims are declined because applications were incomplete or inaccurate. If an application asks something like, do you have a disaster recovery plan? Don't just check the box. You have to have a real recovery plan. This is one of the areas that give rise to problems during a claim. The bottom line for this series of videos, that small and medium-sized businesses absolutely positively need to buy cyber insurance. The odds are stacked against you with this risk, and it's not worth taking a chance and going bare. To make the most informed decision with cyber, you should work with a specialist, which I am. If I can help you secure a proposal or review a proposal that you already have, please contact me. Thanks.